What's up, my GLAM fam, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the September Ipsy GLAM bag unbagging. Alright, so this is the package that comes in the mail. It's pink. And this is this month's bag. I'm so excited. It's almost like Christmas every single month. This is my way of rewarding myself for going to work and working 2 jobs and being responsible and all that good stuff, you know, adulting. So if you're new to Ipsy, if you don't know anything about it, if you're interested in getting a Ipsy GLAM bag subscription, the GLAM bag without tax is $13, and you get 5 items in your bag. You take an online quiz, you tell them your likes, your dislikes, what you're into when it comes to beauty, and they basically create a bag of different little goodies for you every single month. It might have skincare, hair care, blush, foundations, lips, lipsticks, lip gloss, stuff like that in the bag. So last month I did an unbagging for my August bag. If you're interested in checking out that video, I'll link the video in the description box below. So check that video out after you get done watching this one, okay? So again, this is the bag with tax. Let me tell y'all, with tax, the bag is $16 every single month, and that's still a deal, okay? It's still a deal. For me, I'm cheap, and I know that if you were to go to Ulta, Sephora, or Walmart, Target, anything like that, these same products would run you a pretty penny. So this is a great alternative. All right, if you're on a budget, this is a great alternative to be a baddie on a budget. All right. So enough rambling. Let's get into this unbagging. Y'all, I've not seen anything yet that I've gotten in my bag, so let's get started. All right, so these 2 items right here came in the mailing description, well, mailing package or whatever. So the first thing that I added on, I did a couple of add-ons and stuff like that. So this is the item that I chose. I chose this angled shading brush, and I'm really excited to try this. It is indeed angled, as you can see. So I feel like this is gonna change the game for me when doing my eyeshadows and stuff like that. The brush is super soft, y'all. The bristles on this brush is so soft. Oh my gosh, I really like it. And I saw online that this one brush retails for like $28. So I'm getting this and some more stuff all for $16. You can't beat that. You can't beat that, all right? This one brush, if I was to order this online or shop for this brush in stores, would run me $28. Enough said, case closed. All right, so the next thing, I have this eyeshadow palette by Shades by Sean. This is what the outside of the packaging looks like. This is what the shades look like. These are my eyeshadows, and I'm just gonna try to swatch it real quick. Y'all see, let me see again. This is a really pretty peach color. This is the shimmer, and this is the matte. So this is what both colors look like. So I just swatched it on my arm, if y'all can see. If y'all can see, but yeah, it's some pretty colors though. I feel like I'm gonna slay. I'm gonna slay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. All right, so let's open up our bag. All right, so when you open up your bag, you get this little nifty card that tells you all about the 5 items that's coming into your GLAM bag for the month. So, give you a little rundown on this brush. This brush, again, it retails for $28, and it says, this angled eyeshadow brush does it all. It blends, smokes, and smudges your eyeshadow to perfection. Easily creates the eyeshadow looks of your dreams with this dense but soft bristle brush. So this is the real deal, y'all. The real deal. So I'm really excited to start incorporating this tool into my makeup videos and just into my makeup in general. I'm really excited. This was an add-on, and I got this for like $3, so you can't really beat that either. The next thing that I got is this lip balm. Y'all, this is my first time unbagging all of this. I'm taking the packaging off. But yeah, I got this lip balm by Pink Lips Cosmetics. So I like the packaging of it already. It's really cute and girly. And opening it up, it looks like a lipstick. It literally looks like a lipstick. So, let me bring y'all close and apply this. Okay, it is pigmented. Okay, it's giving color. And it is hydrating. I enjoy it. This is cool. Yes. Yes. All right, let's read our nifty card and get some more information on this, shall we? All right, so this is the Pink Lips Cosmetic Lumi Lip Balm Lip Tint in Dream, okay? So one swipe of this juicy balm provides your lips with instant hydration and nourishment thanks to vitamin E. So this has vitamin E in it. And the sheer rosy tint is totally buildable, so you can layer it for a bolder pop of pink color. That's really cool, all right? I feel like you should always have like a good base in your makeup collection that you can build upon. So that's really cool. So this is a really good balm to have in your makeup collection if you want to build and, you know, blend and mix colors in, or if you just want to have it in your purse or your book bag or something like that. This is a good choice, okay? Again, this is from Pink Lips Cosmetics, and as you can see, like it did add like a pretty good tint to my lips. So I'm a happy customer. I'm a happy customer. And again, this is in the shade Dream. If it'll focus. If it'll focus. If it'll focus. Okay. So, y'all, one thing about this camera, it acts like it don't want to focus after all. Anyways, so yeah, this is the Pink Lips Cosmetics. All right, y'all, let's see what else we got. Let's see what else we got. All right, so we got this little sample, really super small. It's just a little sample of a Bright Eye Cream Serum by Gold Fading MD. So it targets tired eyes. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is like super small, but I can work with it. So this is that, all right? So nothing too fancy. Let me tell y'all real quick, this lip balm real quick, it retails for $12. So that lets you know, like, the more expensive something is, the more quality it is. So this is $12. If you were to buy this online, $12. All I'm saying. And I'm getting all these products for $16. This eye cream, it retails for $55. Like the full size. Wow. Now I'm more excited to try this out because, you know, if this retails for $55 freaking dollars, my eyes better be brighter. I better look way more alert. Like, I need all the bags underneath my eyes to be gone. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? All right, so our next products. As y'all can see, like, this is my first time seeing all these products. I'm taking it out of the dang plastic wrap. All right, I have this Lottie London powder foil metallic eyeshadow. So this is what the packaging looks like. So let's try this bad boy out. Right. Ooh. So when you open it, it looks like this. All right, and you take this little thing off. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Wow. This is something serious. All right, let's try to swatch it. Oh, wow. It's really soft, but y'all, look at this. Look at this. All right, y'all, okay, I want y'all to see this. Look at that. Whoa. This eyeshadow is so good. Oh my God. I can't wait to use this. I can't wait. I can't wait to use this, y'all. Oh my God. This is the Lottie. What is this called? Lottie London. I've never heard of this brand before, y'all, but I might have to get some more of this. But y'all, look at that. Look at the eyeshadow. Ah, it's so pretty. All right, let's read our card. Let's get some more information. Let's get some more information. All right, so this eyeshadow retails for $8. Turn up the brightness with this highly pigmented foil shadow in a stunning cranberry color. Ooh, cranberry. It's so fall. It's us. I live, y'all. I live. This cranberry color with gold specks. Pack it on or apply it just one swipe. Either way, you'll be sure to make a grand entrance when using this mega watt shade. This retails again for $8, y'all. I'm so excited to make a fall inspired makeup look from that eyeshadow. I'm so excited, y'all. And we have one more thing, and I'm probably the most excited about this one. It's the Hemp's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Body Butter. I'm so excited to put this in my purse, y'all. Hemp's is such a good lotion, y'all. Like, it's so good. And I have another Hemp's in my purse right now, and I think I paid like $15 for it. But it was pretty expensive, and it's way smaller than this. So I'm super excited to try this out. I'm just trying to pull the foil off. Yeah, like when they package stuff, they package it. Do you hear me? Yes, it's the same exact scent that I already have, but I'm so excited because I don't have to go back to Ulta and buy another pack because I got this one. So yes, y'all, I'm excited. I'm a happy customer. I got some really good products, y'all. Like, I'm gonna try this eye cream out. I'm probably gonna do like a skincare routine with this after I've tried it out a few times to see if I like it. I got this eyeshadow. I got this eyeshadow. I got this brush to apply said eyeshadows. Y'all, this was a good one. This was a good one. Ipsy, you did your thing again this month. I am well pleased. So again, y'all, if you don't have a subscription, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and get your subscription. Y'all see the eyeshadows. Y'all see the lip balm. Case closed, okay? Case closed. So, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, do not hesitate to leave a thumbs up. Comment down below, show some love to the channel. I will be sure to reply back. I love every last one of my supporters. Thank y'all so much for subscribing to me. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, everything. I'm so appreciative of it. I don't take it lightly. I don't take it for granted. Thank y'all so much. I love y'all big. And if you haven't joined the GLAM fam, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? The vibes is everything over here. Join the GLAM fam. I'll be happy to see y'all again in my next video. Thank y'all. Bye.